Hello guys, and welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make your Realme C55 louder. So to start, you have to open the Play Store, then look for the volume up, volume booster, then go to choose one of them and install it. I'm always using the Goodiv app. So we have decided we want to get notification and decided we want to click yes, agree 3 times or no thank you. Okay, close this window and click OK. Now the tool is active, and if you want to boost your volume power, just use that slider for it. You can see that 60 is max of this booster. Now if you go back and close the app, the tool is still active in the background, but if you want to disable it, just open it from the background apps and choose stop service, click OK, and that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe, comment, and goodbye.